Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for pasta.
What kind of pasta?
The kind that tastes amazing.
That's a difficult request.
I know.
Are you making spaghetti?
Yes, for my family tonight.
Then I recommend this one.
Perfect. You're saving my dinner.
Happy to help.
Actually, I need cheese too.
No problem. Follow me.
Wow, this store is huge.
People get lost here all the time.
Really?
Last week a man spent 20 minutes looking for bread.
That's going to be me today.
Hopefully not.
Oh, these cakes look delicious.
They are.
Do I need a cake?
That's a dangerous question.
I think the answer is yes.
I agree.
One cake won't hurt.
Did you find everything?
Yes, and a few things I wasn't planning to buy.
That happens a lot.
The cake convinced me.
Cakes are very persuasive.
Exactly.
Your total is $28.60.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
I will. I'm having pasta and cake.
Sounds like a great evening.